Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to MFY Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to show you a very simple stretch you can do to help relieve back pain and to counter what you do while you're sitting at your desk during the day. So what you're going to need for this is a block. If you don't have a block, you can also use a stack of books, and you can do it without a block as well. It's just not as supported. So all we're going to do for this is get onto your back, lie down on your back, bring your feet in toward your heels for a bridge. Make sure that your insides of your feet are parallel to one another. They shouldn't be facing in. You want to be facing straight forward. And then lift your hips off the ground and just go ahead and put the block right above your sacrum. So that's kind of right at your waist. And you're just going to sit there with the block. You can bring your arms along your sides. Your neck is going to relax onto the floor. Chin is in toward your throat. You want to make sure that you're not looking up. If this is difficult for you to lie with your head like this, maybe you feel like you're looking back at the wall behind you, then you can also put a block or a cushion on underneath your head. And so here in this position, we're just going to relax onto the block. And I want you to do a little bit of engagement. So make sure that you're not just totally relaxed onto the block. Otherwise, after 30 seconds or a minute or so, it might start to get uncomfortable. So you want to have a little bit of engagement. So lightly pushing down through your feet, working on squeezing your butt muscles, squeezing your hamstrings, the backs of your thighs, and again, kind of pushing down through your toes and your heels. You want to make sure you're not arching your back here. So I'm actually lifting with my hips and my thighs, not with my spine. But overall, what this is going to do is reverse what you do during the day. We're starting to open up the hips a little bit, the fronts of your hips, and we're also getting your back into a little bit of extension as opposed to flexion, which is rounding your spine. And you can just hold this for as long as it feels comfortable. I would do this for at least 2 minutes, and you can do it for up to 5 or even 10 minutes if it still feels okay and you don't feel any sort of numbness or tingling or something like that. And then if you want to make this a little more challenging, you can put the block up a setting and put it even higher, and then you're going to get a little bit more of an arch. So one thing you could do is you could start at a lower setting and then work your way up to a higher setting. And this is going to, of course, get you a little more stretching through the fronts of the hips, a deeper stretch, and you might also feel some stretching through your abs, which is really nice as well. Again, as long as it doesn't hurt, and I would recommend adding a little bit of engagement to it. So using the strength of your hips and your thighs to hold yourself upright. And that's it. So if you like the video, make sure to like it, comment, share. This is something that you can do every day, by the way. You can do it once or twice per day. I would recommend doing it at the beginning of the day, before you go to work, or at the end of the day after you finish work. And that's just going to help with kind of restoring the mobility and the health of your spine, especially if you're doing a lot of sitting during the day. Make sure you subscribe. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, so you can subscribe, follow me on all of those platforms. And if you want to learn more about what I do, go to manflowyoga.com for an online members area, training programs, workouts, and much, much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.